Play with my pussy, but don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass and do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Play with my pussy, but don't play with my emotions. If you spend some money, then maybe I just might fuck you. Wanna shake that ass and do the shit in slow motion. You got a whole lot of cash, and nigga, you know I want it. Break some bread up, nigga, that butter my biscuit. You ain't talk money, then really that's none of my business. I don't even need these lenses. 20 on 20 my vision. Bad yellow bitch with an eye on the price, but nigga I ain't no million. Millions, thousands, billions. Vibes on me like Dylan, blondes on me like Hilton, windows on me like Williams. Shouting, digging, look at me like I'm alien. Bitch, I'm fucking reptilian. Bitch, all y'all bitches was wrong. Talking about I fell off. You ain't even get on. Bitch, y'all. All y'all bitches is precious. Wait a minute to say jealous.
Ooh. All right, let me fix her up because I was over here like playing in it. But she's giving. She's cute. Okay. I'm trying not to brush it, but the curls are like sticking together. But whatever, because it doesn't seem too thick. But ooh, she's so beautiful. Like, it just like, I just know ginger hair just looks so good on black people. Like, I just know. Like, oh God, ugh, trying to sit up. Like, that's our color. Y'all, I feel like a bad bee. Like, I need to go on a date, like right now. Right now. Or I need to get dressed and take some pictures. Something, okay? Oh my God, I feel gorgeous with this wig on. I need it in like every color. And it's not super long either. Like, I don't have a bra on, so I can't like stand up. But literally, it comes to like right here. She's vibe. She's giving, okay? Let me tell you. All right, so we can honestly talk about it, because let's talk about it. Any of the Cloud 9 collection wigs, you're gonna be a bad bee, okay? Any of them. They are a little pricey. It's crazy because synthetic wigs used to not be super expensive. Like, they used to damn near be like 30 to 40. Now they're like $60, damn near. And this was around maybe like 50 to 60, and I was pissed. Like, that never used to happen. So I don't know, but I will say that like the baby hair on this wig, perfect. Like, if you wanted to cut it, you definitely could. I just like them kind of fluffy now because it makes it look more natural. Like, people be asking me like, did you dye your hair? I'm like, seriously? Like, I would never. The lace is bomb. If you honestly wanted to like pluck more hair, like, you honestly could, but I did nothing to this. All I did was literally like part it. That's truthfully what I did. I would say that it's a little tight, but I also think it's because my hair isn't braided down. So it's like big head friendly, not big head friendly. There's not a lot of tangling yet, but I'm for sure gonna be like brushing through this wig to make sure that it stays looking nice, if that makes sense. Not a lot of tangles, but it is fresh out of the box. It does come in multiple colors. I do love the highlights. Like, the pros are just, they're proing right now, but there are highlights. Where are you? Like on the inside, like near the ear, that are a little lighter. So it's like, okay, highlights, like, you're giving. I did see a lot of people trying the mocha, the chocolate, and I've seen a lot of people wearing the burgundy. It's just a bomb wig. This is like my favorite color when it comes to like synthetic wigs. Sensationnel does have like really nice auburn and ginger hair. And then Outre really does have good gingers as well, like ginger auburn. So This flamboyage is doing it for you, girl. So honestly, like, you guys, the video's short because I really didn't have to do much. All I really did was do my makeup for real, but I did that off camera. I'll plug like TikToks if you guys really want to see it, because I actually did a really good one. I was like, but yeah, so price will be down below. I feel like the price, yeah, the prices do change based off of where you get your wigs from. I personally got this one from Hair So Fly. They also do have Afterpay. I definitely Afterpaid it because I was like, do I want to pay for $300 worth of wigs right now? Hell no. So I just Afterpaid it. I feel like that's a big pro for me when it comes to buying hair now. Because I used to get my hair from Ebony Line, but I'm not messing with them no more. They like changed their flat rate and they're upcharging and they don't have no Afterpay. So I was like, Hair So Fly, you could take my money. Here you go. That is my new favorite place to shop, and they always have their wigs available. Like, it's crazy. So all I know is y'all better not sell out all the auburn wigs because this is my color. And it's fall, so this is the perfect wig for fall. Do you hear me? Perfect wig. It just looks like a fresh, just got my hair done, I got a sew-in, or I got a really nice wig on, or a nice silk press. Like, that's what the curls are giving. Like, yes, I put some rollers in my hair, I just got it pressed. That's what it's giving. So I want somebody at work to be like, what's that? Like, where you get your hair from? Yeah, ask me because it's bomb. Like, okay. I just really enjoyed like filming this. Like, I really hope that you guys enjoyed it too, because I'm gonna be back with more. I will definitely be showing out with this one. Like, somebody take me out. Somebody take me out to dinner. No, it's so cute. Like, and the makeup bomb too. Like, maybe I should practice my eyeshadow and get my beauty game up, because I mean, it's weird. Like, I know how to do eyeshadow, I just don't do it. I'm just so like basic. Like, but honestly, I think this is a really good purchase if you're looking for something new in the synthetic wig world. I feel like a lot of people have worn this, but to me, it's not that popular, and I don't know why. So in the middle, she's also cute, but I would have to manipulate her to also stay down, if that makes sense. Like, kind of get her like in the vibes of staying down. So I could also see myself doing like one of these, doing like a half up, half down. Like, even this is cute. Or even like a ponytail, who knows? Oh, actually, this is kind of cute. Yeah, because usually I wear my wigs to work and I shouldn't be doing that, because who am I? But these are adorable. Like, I kind of need her in like every color. Hair So Fly shop, if you see this, I will be your brand ambassador for the free. For the free. No, literally, like, that's just how obsessed I am with like just trying new things, like trying new wigs. Like, you never know like how a wig is gonna be or how a wig will actually look on you until you try it out. So it's just like, this is bomb. So if you guys have any questions, definitely leave them down below. I'm just happy to be looking like a bad bee, okay? That's really all I have to say. So yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. My name is Hoovja, and I'm gonna be back.